Monday, May 9th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Great weather over the weekend. Just fantastic stuff. It was great for all the Mother's Day activities out there you might have had planned yesterday. And I hope all you moms did have a great Mother's Day as yesterday rolled along. And we're going to keep the really warm weather going as we go through most of this week. And then more unsettled conditions on the way toward the end of the week. And let me show you time-lapse imagery from the Avalon Pier web camera yesterday. It was a good day up and down the Carolina coast yesterday. Just a few clouds here and there. Really very docile weather conditions over that way. Temperatures were warm all across the region. There's a peek at your Triad area. High temperatures yesterday, 81 in Winston-Salem, 84 in Burlington, 82 the high temperature in Asheboro yesterday. I'll take a peek at the Charlotte area high temperatures, and it looks like we're battling this internet connection again this morning, but 87 in Gastonia, 87 in Wadesboro and Rockingham, and 83 in Salisbury. Now we take a look at the regionally, how we looked at highs yesterday. 91 in Columbia, 90 in Fayetteville, 89 in Wilmington. Just a really warm day, and warm weather will be a consistent theme here over the next several days. These are 5 o'clock hour temperatures early this morning. Myrtle Beach, 70, 63 in Columbia, 52 degrees right now up in Boone. And it's going to be a really warm weather setup overall today. Had a few showers and a couple thunderstorms rumble through parts of the region overnight. A few lingering showers left over in eastern North Carolina early this morning. That's about it. A lot of rain kind of spread out across parts of the Midwestern states. Some big thunderstorms rumbling through parts of Nebraska, Kansas, up into Iowa early this morning. Also, some severe storms have been rumbling through sections of Texas this morning, right along I-20 there in the western part of the state. And it will be a pretty convectively active day over parts of the southern plains, kind of easing toward the lower Mississippi Valley. In fact, let me show you the high-resolution modeling, the high-resolution rapid refresh, and notice as you get toward the end of the day, big thunderstorms firing up here over parts of the plain states. In fact, a pretty significant severe weather threat today. Big slight risk from Omaha down to eastern Texas, and then there's your enhanced risk of severe storms, including cities such as Fayetteville and Little Rock down towards Shreveport this afternoon. So that's where the main action is today, back near this storm system in those areas I just mentioned, showers and thunderstorms back that way. And the Carolinas, pretty quiet stuff. Maybe in the foothills of the northwestern parts of North Carolina and the mountains, an isolated shower or storm this afternoon, but most of us rain-free. Everybody warm, too. There's your highs on this Monday across the region. Tuesday, much the same for tomorrow. Partly sunny, most of us rain-free. Your highs tomorrow afternoon, again, quite warm around the region. Now, storm chances begin to increase Wednesday. The instability values creeping up just a bit. I think we're looking at a scenario that will favor some scattered thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon. Still quite warm Wednesday, too. There's your Wednesday highs. And then Thursday, we begin to feel the influence of an approaching cold front from the west. And so that's going to give us good chances for some scattered thunderstorms Thursday. Continuing into Thursday night and Friday morning, but notice by Friday afternoon, that shower and storm chance beginning to exit off to the southeast, and it sure looks like a really nice weekend is on the way. Let me show you the more detailed modeling here. We will begin with what's happening aloft on the European model this morning. There's the system driving that severe weather threat off to the west of us today I mentioned. That kind of lifts up to the Great Lakes region, kind of missing us on tomorrow. But then late week, there's this trough moving in. That'll drive that cold front in our direction. The Canadian computer model, there is Wednesday with the scattered thunderstorms. Thursday, scattered thunderstorms. And then by Friday late in the day, there go the shower and thunderstorms kind of exiting off to the southeast. High pressure building into the wake of that system. GFS model, pretty quiet today, pretty quiet tomorrow. But then there you go, Wednesday, this is tomorrow evening. Maybe an evening shower storm up near the Virginia border. But most of us probably still quiet tomorrow. Now, there you go on Wednesday. Scattered thunderstorms Thursday. Friday morning, there's your cold front right there where you see those kinking of the isobars. So Friday morning, still some showers and storms, but then by the afternoon, those continue to traverse further to the southeast. And then look at this, there's Saturday, there's Sunday. We're in pretty good weather shape across the region. Now the GFS then brings in a kind of wet scenario again on Monday. All right, stand by. There we go, Friday on the European model. The showers and storms exiting. Weekend looks really, really nice. And then really it's not a whole lot around here Monday on the European model. Maybe a little better chance of some storms on Tuesday on that particular computer model. But, at least as we get into early next week, some chance of some showers and storms beginning to creep back into the region. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.